Hi everyone! Today we'll be reviewing the national flag of Antigua and Barbuda. The review will be done using the 5 basic principles of flag design as outlined in the book Good Flag, Bad Flag, written by Ted Kay and published by the North American Vexillological Association. Here is a quick rundown of the 5 principles. We will review the flag under each principle and give a score out of 10 for each. At the end, we will calculate the average score of the 5 principles, which will give us the overall final score for the flag. Let's begin. Technically, this is a very simple flag because the design consists only of straight lines. However, these straight lines are many, and the flag gets a little tricky. The most complex part of the flag is the yellow sun. It has 7 points and 2 further half points that border the blue area. To draw this from memory is not easy. A good starting point would be to draw the 2 diagonal sides of the triangle that separate the red from the other colors. Getting the sun close to the original, as well as achieving the other elements fairly accurately, requires some time to study the flag. For simplicity, the flag gets 7 out of 10. The flag was adopted in 1967 after Antigua and Barbuda gained self-governance. A competition was held to design the flag, and the winner was Sir Reginald Samuel. The red stands for the energy of the people. The black stands for the people's African heritage. The yellow symbolizes the dawn of a new era. The blue stands for hope. Together, the yellow, blue, and white stand for the sun, sea, and sand. The V shape of the white also stands for victory. The flag is full of meaning. While one could argue it may have too much symbolism, especially with some elements having double meanings, the design and symbolism are well thought out and work well. For this principle, the flag gets 10 out of 10. The flag uses 5 colors: red, black, yellow, blue, and white. All these colors are part of the standard set. The flag loses marks because it has 2 colors more than the recommended maximum of 3. As for contrast, there are issues between the red and black, red and blue, and also black and blue. In other words, all the dark colors. While this may sound bad, the flag still looks quite good in this regard, thanks mostly to the fact that simple lines are what separates the colors. The light colors of yellow and white do not border each other and therefore don't present a contrast issue. Overall for color, this flag gets 6 out of 10. The flag uses no lettering, seals, or coat of arms. For this principle, it gets 10 out of 10. This flag is highly distinctive. The inverted triangle design with its base across the top is unique to sovereign flags. A number of national flags bear depictions of the sun, and most of those have their own characteristic design, including that of Antigua and Barbuda. For overall looks, no other country comes close to this one, and this flag is among the best for this principle. For distinctiveness, the flag scores a very well-deserved 10 out of 10. So now we've reviewed the flag on each of the 5 principles. We're going to add the scores and divide by 5 to get the average. So for the national flag of Antigua and Barbuda, we get a final score of 8.6 out of 10.